Hello, my name is Corrina Lanz and I live in Medicine Hat Alberta. I'd like to talk about a portfolio we have in Onpassive called O Bless. Our CEO, Mr. Mufareh, he is the kindest man alive. On his days off, he takes his two children to Costco and gets a whole bunch of groceries and cold water. It has to be cold because he lives in Florida, and he distributes it to the homeless. He thought, why not have a bunch of Mother Theresas around the world that can help me? So we have Onpassive. The portfolio O Bless is going to help a lot of people around the world. A lot of businesses, charities, whatever you are passionate about. I've always wanted to help others, but I couldn't really do a lot because I didn't have the means. I've helped a small amount, here and there, what I could afford. It wasn't much. I'm looking forward to being able to help a lot more, thanks to Mr. Mufareh and his vision. When you give to a charity today, they take 17 to 33% right off the top, no matter who you give to. O Bless doesn't take anything. 100% goes to where you want it to. This has never been done before. There are a lot of firsts in Onpassive, and I am so excited to be a founder. I am so happy I will be able to help out a lot of people. No one should be hungry and thirsty in this day and age, but it's still happening. Soon, that will change. Thanks to Onpassive and O Bless. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, very much from the bottom of my heart. I am Corrina Lanz. I am an Onpassive founder, and I am very proud and feel blessed. Thank you.